Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Midnight Rabbit Vibrator by the EasyToys Vibe Collection. So let's get started. So this is the Midnight Rabbit Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's a very impressive size for a rabbit vibrator, and this will stimulate all your sensitive spots at the same time. It stimulates your clitoris with the little bunny ears just here, and it's also slightly flexible as well. The shaft just here also massages your G-spot with the bent tip just here. There's also a couple of bumps here and ribbing for extra stimulation. The shaft is slightly flexible and it's made of a soft silicone material which is very soft and smooth on the skin and will feel really comfortable during use. It features 2 motors and 10 vibration settings that are really easy to control with the control pad. To turn on, press and hold down. The light will switch on. To activate the shaft, click on the same button. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To activate the clitoral stimulator, click on the top button. Again, to change the settings, simply tap. To turn off, simply press and hold down on the bottom button, and it's now off. It's also really simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slide it just above the control panel there, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. The toy is waterproof, and when using this vibrator, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Midnight Rabbit Vibrator by the EasyToys Vibe Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.